that. Mommy needs to get the camera ready.
Alright, it's okay, it's ready.
You alright?
Yeah. Go, baby. Good boy.
Wow.
Whoa.
Take your steps, there you go.
Oh, you clever boy.
Do a dance.
Yay.
Do a dance.
Oh, good boy.
No, that's not safe. If you're holding that, you fall.
Oh, no. Fall down.
Try again. Try again. There you go. Try again.
Oh, crazy, baby.
That was so quick.
Hi.
You're such a clever boy.
Oh.
Good, wow.
You're gonna go on top of the box? Are ya? Hi. Yeah. Oh.
No, you can't go that close.
Push his feet and his toes so he doesn't hurt his toes.
Fix your foot. There you go.
Oh, you clever
What about the other
boy.
one? You got pigeon feet. Come on, pigeon foot.
Yay.
Come on, pigeon
Clever
foot.
boy. What's that? Oh my gosh. Hey.
Sounds like I
Yeah. Ballet feet.
do. Yeah. Nothing wrong with it.
Oh, fly down.
Oh.
Yay. Gonna get back up?
Should try and do it that way.
He's not silly.
You're funny.
You clever.
You're going to have to keep your mummy and daddies on their toes.
Oh, yeah.
Bugger.
I'm watching you,
You're
Poo-Poo.
going to be 3 times as smart as your daddy was.
Thanks.
Are you going to beat Auntie Jackie if you're walking?
No.
You better not. Oh,
Oh.
good boy. Video. Achoo! Achoo, Ready? Are you gonna cough? Hold on, baby. Oh dear. Are you laughing your butt off, Koopy Pie? You're a little giggle pot, aren't you? Enjoying the side of your cot, are you? Achoo!